Hi guys, Vanakkam, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. This is Sushmita. Missed me? I know it's been a while that I have uploaded a video, but a lot happened. I am not gonna bore you with all that. The good news is that I am back. So guys, in today's video, we are gonna see a Meesho try-on haul, and it's gonna be a mix of clothing and also a few jewelry, majorly clothing. And it's going to be my first haul, so show some love. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So firstly, most of people might know what Meesho is, but for people who don't know what Meesho is, it is India's #1 reselling app. You heard that right, it is a reselling app. But you can also buy clothing for yourself. Not only clothing, there are so many stuff in that app. There are jewelry, there are footwear, there is western clothing, Indian clothing, sarees, what not. There are also kitchen items you can try. There is also straightener, a blow dryer, and there are so many items. I don't want to go into that. And guys, before going, it is not a sponsored video. I know there are tons of Meesho hauls out there, but this is not a sponsored video in any cost. So guys, I'll also mention the price that I bought and the price right now in the app, but the prices usually fluctuate. It will go up or down suddenly, so you have to check now and then to know the prices. So whenever you get a deal, lock it down. So now let's get into the video without any delay. So I'm going to show you what are the clothing items I got, and I'm going to show this side how the try on, how it looks on me. So the first clothing item I'm going to show you is a kurti set, which is a beautiful A-straight kurti, which looks something like this, and also it comes with a palazzo. I am in love with the palazzo actually, because it is white and it has a golden stripes right here. I hope you can see, and it also has good flare, guys. So you can also style this one palazzo in different ways, and you can pair it with any kurti. And coming to the kurti, it has a good embroidery right here, and it is also printed all over, printed front and back. So that is about the kurti, and I love it. I love the quality of the both kurti and the pants. It is great. So I bought it in size yes, but even if it is size yes, it says that it is 36 right here. So do check out the measurements before you jump into it. Anyway, every kurti that I have here, I have altered in some or other way. So next piece is gonna be a three-piece set. So you have a top, and you have a skirt, and you have a coat right here. So I am okay with the top and also the coat, but the skirt, it actually looks like an saree in skirt. I don't like the skirt at all. I'll give no points for the skirt. I totally hate the skirt. But I love the coat. You can style this in different ways, and I have already styled it. If I get the video or picture, I'll just pop it right here. And the blouse is decent, and it comes with a zip on the side, which is great. And the next piece of item is also going to be a three-piece. This one is not like that. It comes with a shawl, a kurta, and a palazzo. The shawl, as you can see, it is a bright pink color, contrast color. I love how this looks, but the shawl is heavy for me, so maybe I might convert this into something else. Let's see about that. But I love the kurta and palazzo set. These are rayon cloths, guys, and it has all gold dotted prints going on all over the kurta front and back, and also there is a beautiful print on the pants in front and back, all over the pants. So this one is a plain maroon color kurti. There is no design whatsoever. There is just this part on the sides and you can adjust it, but it is right on my tummy area, so I don't feel comfortable about that. Generally, if I eat, I just get bloated so badly, so it feels like I have a food baby inside. So I'm not a big fan of the kurti, but since I just kept it because of the color alone. So coming to the next kurti, this one is a beautiful set. Actually, it seems like you have a skirt underneath and you are wearing a kurti on the top, but it is just a single piece of clothing. I just love it so much that I have bought another color also. But actually, this is the first color that I bought. I thought of trying something new, but I ended up in some shit color. But I still love it. It's different, so I like it. So I just love both, and both the prints are different from each other. So the next piece of clothing is this dark green anarkali type of kurti, but I just love how the embroidery is on the front portion, and it has buttons all the way down to the bottom, and these buttons are removable so that you can style it however you like. You can also style it as a coat, or you can style it as if you have a slit on in between and all. So I just love this piece also. I highly recommend that, and the quality of the clothing is so good for the pricing, guys. I am in love with this also. So guys, the next piece of clothing is again an anarkali, which is also in green color, and it also has buttons all the way down, but these are not openable. These are just for the design, and it also has 2 pockets right here, and this is the only one that I bought in size medium. So guys, the next is this red anarkali kurta, and this one has beautiful embroidery on the front, and it also has this false mirror working, which is a beautiful element of this kurta, and it also comes with a knot on the hips. So I don't really have to alter this one, so I just can adjust to my size, and I just wore it as it is. And since I loved this, I also bought another color. Okay, this one is beautiful magenta color, and I just fell in love with this color. And this one also has the same print, nothing fancy. It also has a knot to tie around your hips. So guys, the second last clothing item is this kurta, which I am wearing right now, and it also comes with a pant, and I love this kurta. Where you can also adjust the hands. So I have shown in the video. So you can wear this hands in 2 ways. I saw the exact same kurta in Myntra, but the kurta alone cost rupees 600 something. I'm not sure, but I got this both for that price. So I think I just want to do another series on this side where we can compare Meesho and Myntra. Maybe in future we'll think about it. So guys, the last piece of the clothing item is this yellow color maxi, which gives me full on beach vibes. I love how it looks on me. So thumbs up for this. So there are these 2 pieces of item that I have returned. First one for the reason that I don't like how it looks on me, and second one, the quality of the clothing was not good. It was so see-through that I didn't like the anarkali itself, so I returned that. And now, so guys, coming to the jewelry, I bought a jewelry set which consists of a choker and a pair of earrings and a mantika. I love how mantika and earrings look, but the choker, this part right here, has came up, but I don't find it as a problem because you can find this in fancy stores nearby you. So I can work with that. Okay guys, and I also bought a combo of 2 earrings which came in this beautiful box. The packaging was on top, and these are the earrings that I got. This one and this one. I love huge earrings in person. I know before you commenting that earring size of your face. I know I love big earrings. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you in some or other way. And if you are planning to buy any of the tops, and the code of each top will be given in the description box below. There won't be any link. This is not how the app works. There will be only a code. That code, if you just put it in the search bar of the app, you will get the desired product that you're looking for. So do check that in the description box below if you are planning to purchase any of this. So guys, there is a new shout out that I'm going to do from now onwards in every other video. That is shout out for you guys commenting down some beautiful comments that encouraged me in some or other way, that pushed me to come and do this video also. Trust me on that. So today's shout out is going to be Zara. That video edit is awesome, content is short and quick, still with all useful information. I am damn sure you will have a huge subscriber soon. By the way, thanks for the amazing review. This was on my Renee Fab 5 lipstick video. Thank you, Zara. Thank you so much. That is so sweet of you. So guys, make sure that you like, share and subscribe to my channel and ring that bell icon so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. See you in my next video, guys. Bye.